Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm starting my packing with me vlog. So I do these every single year when I packed for college. So today is Wednesday and I'm moving in on Saturday, so I thought I would film the next 3 days of me just packing and doing random moving in stuff. So right now I'm going to the DMV, which I hate the DMV, guys. Like, I don't know if you guys like the DMV. It's honestly like one of the worst places, but I'm going there to get my license renewed because I am turning 21. So yeah, I'm turning 21 in like 3 weeks, which is really exciting. And then I'm gonna get my hair dyed because I don't know if you guys can see, I haven't got it done since January and it's really long and also really dark, and I want to go blonder, and I usually do like a balayage. So I'm gonna get my hair dyed. Anyways, I'm rambling a ton, but I'm gonna head off to the DMV and then head off to my hair appointment. Hey guys, what's up? So I just got out of the DMV. I was there for an hour and a half. So I'm gonna get some Dunkin' Donuts right now. So I'm at Dunkin'. I'm gonna go in and order some coffee because I feel like I need some right now. So it's like 5 minutes later and I just got my Dunkin' Donuts and I'm so happy. So for my Dunkin' Donuts order, I always get a medium iced coffee with almond milk and 1 sugar. And it's so much more healthier for you than getting like any flavors or anything in it. And then I found $5 on the floor, so I was really happy about that. So it was like near my car, so I just took it, but pretty happy about it. So anyways, I'm gonna go home now and make myself some lunch right before my haircut, because my haircut's in like an hour and a half. Hello guys, what's up? So I am back from the hair salon. I just did a blonde balayage, so if you guys were just curious like what this is, it's just a blonde balayage. So she takes my root color and just fades it down, as you can see. So it's super low maintenance. I barely ever have to do my hair. I do it like twice a year. So this is what it looks like. I just got like an inch cut off because I like my hair being longer. So I just did an inch cut off and we just curled the ends and it looks super cute. But yeah, so just got a blonde balayage with a little bit of a trim. So I just have to get used to it. I always like freak out the first day I get haircuts. I don't know if you guys are the same way. I'm gonna go through my clothes because I have a lot of clothes. So if you guys would be interested in like purchasing clothes from Poshmark from me, definitely let me know, because I would probably definitely post some clothes on Poshmark and sell them to you guys. So if you're interested in that, let me know. Also, I wanted to give a quick promo for my Dote account. If you guys don't follow me on Dote, follow me on Dote. I just set up 3 new giveaways this month with Dote. I just emailed them, so I thought I would just announce it now. But I do flash giveaways on my Dote profile. So my Dote is just Laurens Boutique. It's an app, if you're wondering. If you sign up, I have a code, which I'll have on the screen here and down below. You get $5 off your purchase. They have like every retailer, and you can pretty much just shop for clothes on Dote with any retailer. So that's pretty cool. And you can just make purchases from numerous stores in one app and one purchase. It's really cool. So anyways, this isn't sponsored. I just wanted to let you guys know that I do a lot of giveaways, but they're all on my Dote profile. They're not really on my YouTube channel. I'll try to announce them on my YouTube channel, but definitely follow me on Dote for that. If you don't have an account, you guys can sign up, use my code if you want, and yeah, you get $5 credit towards whatever you want, which is really nice. So I'm gonna be doing 3 a month as of now, so that's a lot. So you guys can win my wish list. I'm doing a back to school wish list, a fall wish list, and my beauty wish list. So I'm doing those 3 this month, so you guys can enter for those, and all you have to do is follow me and then you're entered. So it's pretty easy. So I didn't have much time to pack tonight, so yeah, but I did bring some stuff down from my attic from last year that I'm gonna reuse for this year. I moved some of that stuff down into my living room, so I'm gonna show you guys that. So I brought down my suitcase, this thing, which I actually never use, but it has stuff in it. And then I brought down these plastic bins to help move my stuff in. And then I brought these bins, which I use every year, that I put under my bed. These things are really helpful and I like them a lot. And then I have more plastic storage stuff here as well. So I'm just like, this is most of the stuff that I'm gonna carry my things in, like plastic bins and stuff. Alright guys, so that's all I'm doing for today. Pretty much finished with all my packing for today, which wasn't as much as I wanted to do, but hopefully the next 2 days we'll do some more. Hey guys, what's up? It is Thursday today, so I just got ready. I'm currently wearing this jean jacket from Arizona, this necklace from Zoffel, and then this striped dress. I don't know if you guys can see. There you go. Striped dress from Old Navy that I got a really long time ago. So I'm heading to brunch with my friend right now. I'm just saying bye to like my last friends that are home. I'm going to start packing my makeup and clothes and stuff like that today. Okay, so my first order of business right now is doing my makeup. So I'm trying to do this step by step because I'm very overwhelmed that I left this to the last minute, but I always do that. So right now I'm eating some blueberries. I am just going to fill this container up with makeup. So I like to just keep it to these 3 drawers because I don't want to bring too much makeup with me to school. So yeah. Okay, so this is so far what I packed. So I have some of my hair stuff and face stuff over here. And then I just packed, like I said, all of my everyday things. And then I always bring extra products with me, so I just keep them in this little bag here. So if I ever run out of something, I have another bag to put stuff in. How much do we have packed? We have my shoes I packed in there, and then we packed some stuff in this bin. Some of my beauty stuff I showed you earlier. Hey guys, what's up? It's Friday and today is the day before I move in, which is crazy. But I have so much I have to do today. Kind of in like a messy bun and stuff. I don't know, I just didn't feel like getting ready all the way. But I'm gonna show you guys what I did for packing. So this is my floor of my room. It's a little messy right now, but pretty much my packing, I don't really do anything like super organized or whatever, but I just kind of have tons of random stuff in there. I literally just go around my room desk to desk and figure out what I need from each area and just literally put it in buckets. So I really don't have that great of a routine. I have all my shoes in there, and I did all my makeup like I showed you guys yesterday in there. So I did that, and then I have all my IKEA stuff downstairs. Also, I'll show you guys my outfit of the day for today. So I'm just wearing, like I said, this messy bun here. So I'm just wearing this shirt here, which I got from Shein, and I just got a package from Shein in today, so I'll show you guys that in a sec. I'm also wearing these jeans here from Arizona, which I did a video with them, and I love these denim. I just kind of rolled them up. I don't know if you can see. All right, so I got 3 things from Shein in the mail, and I just wanted to show you guys these. The first thing I got was this striped dress, which I'm obsessed with, and I can use this a lot as a t-shirt, which I like because it's kind of short on me, but it's just this red and white striped dress. So I kind of tuck this into loose jeans and stuff, and I also wear it as a cover up to the beach. And then I also got this crop top, which I tried on and it fits me so nicely. So it's just this pink and white crop top, and I love this for back to school. It's like not too cropped, it doesn't show like any skin, it's long enough, which I love. So I'm obsessed with this crop top, and I finally got a pink color because I don't have a pink color and I feel like I need to like not wear black, white, and gray all the time. So I got that. And then lastly, I got this like jumpsuit, which I'm also obsessed with. It's just has this little tie, and then it's just this navy kind of like tube top jumpsuit, and it goes all the way down and it flares out here, as you guys can see on the bottom. I'm gonna link all 3 of these items down below if you guys are interested in them, just because since I didn't try them on, I thought it'd be easier just to link them. And also I found a code online for you guys if you're interested. It's 20% off Shein, and you don't have to like spend a minimum amount or anything. You just can get 20% off your purchase. So I'll have that code linked down below too. But without me rambling, let's go to Dunkin' Donuts and get some coffee, and then go to Target because I've just been rambling today.
Medium iced coffees, one with cream and sugar, and the other one with almond milk and 1 sugar.
So we got our iced coffees from Dunkin'. Where we live, it's 2 for $4, because I was saying that it's not 2 for $4 in other places. And I also got a coffee stain on my shirt already. Where is it? Right here. Yay. I stain absolutely everything. Before we go into Target, you're cutting all your coupons.
That's right.
Watch all those coupon mom videos on Facebook.
Passionate penny picture.
I wonder if anyone else's moms watch those videos on Facebook.
They should.
Target! I kind of like I don't know, I kind of like them. They're business casually. Yes, no. I like those. I use those all the time. For under the bed. $8.99. Just a lot of command strips.
This one is 8 large, 6 medium, 4 small.
Okay, so we are done at Target and we got a lot of things. But we're gonna go to Walmart and get a lot more stuff because they're cheaper at Walmart. And we're gonna go to Ulta, Target, or not Target, Ulta, Old Navy, Walmart, and Dollar Store. Because Dollar Store actually has a lot of stuff. We reach Old Navy and the Dollar Store. At the Dollar Store now. What are you getting? Towels?
I am getting
some towels. We got a loofah, ear things. Got trash bags, a broom, boring things that we don't like to go shopping for. Next stop is Walmart. Which toilet paper shall we get?
12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Oh, 2, 4. I can't count. Oh,
Hello guys, so I'm back home right now and we got everything that I needed to get for my dorm. So now I'm gonna unpack and I'll show you guys everything that I got. I just needed like some last minute things before we went, so I hope you guys enjoyed the little store footage. Alright, so I'm going to do the little haul video now that I'm in my room. So I got stuff from like so many different stores, but yeah, so I got some food. So if you guys don't know, I don't know if I said this in a video already or not, but I am gluten and dairy free now. If you guys have dairy restrictions or gluten restrictions, definitely let me know, because especially dairy restrictions, I can't find any good dairy free cheese, and it's helped a lot. It's really helped on my skin. I don't know if you guys can tell, my skin is so clear. So yeah, honestly guys, changing your diet is really what helps with your skin. I got some gluten-free oatmeal. This is amazing. It's the maple and brown sugar. It's my favorite now. I love it. And then Honey Nut Cheerios are gluten-free, so I got some of those. And then I got these, which are my favorite. They're so overpriced, but they're these RX bars. And then this is kind of boring stuff. I got like, you know, garbage bags and some candles. I got a little welcome mat, which I thought was cute. I got one of those toilet rug things from Ulta. I got my mascaras, which if you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with them. The L'Oreal Telescopic. Oh, I got some dairy-free ice cream from Haagen-Dazs at BJ's. If you guys have a BJ's near you, I'm not sure if they sell this other places, but it's the non-dairy chocolate salted fudge truffle. I also got these little storage bins here just to put under my bed, makeup wipes, some of these like Glade spray things because I wanted my room to smell good. And then I got this cool wall decor. It was a little bit expensive from Target, but I really liked it. And then I also got this as my last decor piece. It's just one of these boards. It doesn't light up or anything. Everyone's already moved in except me, so hello everybody. Does everyone remember Caitlin? Hi, Caitlin. Hi, Megan. Where's Katie? Okay, so I've been packing for 30 minutes or like more like an hour, and this is what I got done so far. So I packed half a suitcase. So I have like denim and pants. We'll put you in the suitcase. Denim. And I have all my underwear and socks over here, and then I just did all my workout clothes that I'm gonna put in here. So, all right, so I brought a second suitcase because I'm almost filled with this one. So we're gonna try to fill up this one, and I'm gonna work on my clothing rack now. So we packed a lot more. We have this suitcase, this suitcase. So this is the last bin in my room. We moved everything to the car. Alrighty guys, so that was my little packing vlog and everything about me packing and getting ready for school. So I'm gonna be having a move-in day vlog, which I'm going to be putting up as my next video. So stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna start tomorrow as a new vlog, new video as my move-in day vlog. And down below, let me know when you guys are going back to school or what school you guys go to and stuff like that. So anyways, I'll see you guys all in my move-in day vlog, which will be my next video. So bye guys.